You probably remember Seesaw like this. When classrooms changed overnight during the pandemic, Seesaw kept learning moving for millions of students. But Seesaw didn't stop there. Today, Seesaw is a complete elementary LMS. Instruction, assessment, communication, insights. With AI built in to support teachers, not replace them. Secure, scalable, and trusted by 75% of K-5 districts nationwide. The Seesaw you trusted evolved for today's classrooms. See what's changed.